As a record-breaking boxer, Mike Tyson was known as Iron Mike, or the baddest man on the planet. Unfortunately, the heavyweight champion's boxing persona leached into real life, and he found himself in court in 2003 charged with assaulting two men in a Brooklyn hotel. In a brief appearance in Brooklyn criminal court, Tyson entered the plea of not guilty to 3 misdemeanor assault charges and charges of harassment and disorderly conduct. Tyson was charged with assaulting 2 men, Samuel Velez, 31, and Nestor Alvarez, 24, and a woman, in the early hours of June 21, outside the Marriott Hotel in downtown Brooklyn. Tyson faced up to a year in jail if the charges were proven. Defense attorney Mel Sachs told Brooklyn criminal court judge Wayne Saita that the case should be dismissed because Tyson acted in self-defense. Both Velez and Alvarez were indicted on menacing and harassment charges from the same incident. The former heavyweight champion pleaded innocent to the assault, claiming that the 2 men he punched had taunted him first. His lawyers alleged that the 2 men told Tyson they were carrying guns. But prosecutors said his actions went beyond self-defense. It wasn't the first time Tyson had fallen foul of the law. He spent 3 years in prison for raping a former beauty queen. And the controversial boxer was also slammed for his aggression during a 1997 boxing match when he bit off part of his opponent's ear. In 1999, Tyson was sentenced to a year in prison, fined $5,000, and ordered to serve 2 years of probation and undertake 200 hours of community service for assaulting 2 motorists after a 1998 traffic accident. In 2002, a news conference to promote a bout between him and Lennox Lewis degenerated into a brawl as members of their entourages started throwing punches.
Even Mike Tyson is entitled to self-defense. These 2 men, about 5:30 in the morning, had been drinking. They bothered him, they provoked him, and they told him, "You have fists, we got guns," and they reached for a weapon in their waistband. And what Mike Tyson did was meet that force with force. He's entitled to act the way he did. Mike Tyson is innocent of any wrongdoing. He will not be found criminally responsible. Professional athletes like Mike Tyson are targets for individuals. They're targets of opportunity for people who are looking for a payday or people who want to show off to others. Mike Tyson did not do anything wrongful in any way. He was targeted.
The case was resolved in 2004 when Tyson pleaded guilty to disorderly conduct and was ordered to perform 100 hours of community service and undergo counseling. He told the court, "I was involved in a situation in which Mike Tyson's conduct was very disorderly." The plea bargain enabled him to avoid a jury trial that could have resulted in jail time.